A lot of beginners spend hours designing in the hero section, but then they completely ignore the footer. The funny thing is, your footer is one of the last things visitors see before leaving your website. A bad footer makes your entire website feel unfinished. Today we are going to build a professional footer that you can use in almost any client project. Hello everyone, welcome back to UGIIT. We have already built responsive navigation bar and a professional contact form. Today we are completing another essential part of every modern website, that is footer. But here's the difference. We are not just adding the links. We are building a footer that looks clean, feels professional, and works beautiful on desktop, tablet, and mobile version. Before writing a single line of code, let's look at the final design. Notice a few things: clean spacing, multiple links column, social icon, copyright, and responsive layout. By end of this video, you will build this from scratch. Let's start it. Add a section and change tag section to footer and create the class like page footer and add container and class container and add the background color of the page footer like this color and add padding top like 80 pixel and bottom padding 80 pixel. And under the container I have add a one div block and add the class like page footer top, and under this div block add another block and add class page footer top row, and I have add another div and create page footer call, and under this div I have add another div like footer box, and I have add a link block and under the link block I have add a image and choose the image and choose the logo and create the class footer logo link and add class to image footer logo, and now I have add some CSS with 100% and max with 200 pixel, and under the footer link I have add a paragraph and paste my content and I have added the color of the page footer, the white color, and now I have added some margin of the link block like 30 pixel, and now I have to reduce of the logo size, and I have add another div block under the top row class. So click the div block and same thing, I have copied the class and paste the div the same class, and under the page footer call I have add a div and class the footer box, and now I have add a text block that is quick links, and add a class footer title, and now I have some CSS like so. I have add font of the page footer open sans and footer links font weight 700 and also font size 18 pixel and line height 1.4, and I have add some margin 30 pixel, and under the footer title I have add a menu list. So now I have add a list and I have delete the last two list item, and inside the list item I have add a text link, and now I have add the text of the text link like home. So now I have add a class of the menu list like footer menu list, footer menu list item and footer menu link. So first I have delete the list style none and padding 0, margin 0. So now I have copy the menu list item and edit the text about us, our courses and blogs, and now I have changed the CSS like display inline block, color white, text decor none, font size 16 pixel. So now I have add the font size like 16 pixel, and I have add some hover effect like our theme color, that is orange. So now click the footer menu link and select the hover menu and change the color. So this is our hover color, and I have add some transition, all properties 400 ms and is in out. And now I have add another div block under the page footer top row. So same thing, I have add the same class and I have add another div block and paste the same class of the new div, and I have add the same title, and I want to change the title the newsletter. So now I have add a form, that is form block, and now I have changed email form to newsletter email form and delete the name field and delete the email label and add the placeholder enter your email and name newsletter user email, and I have add a class newsletter form block and newsletter form and the text field the newsletter form input and the button newsletter form button. So now this is our page footer top row and this is our column, and now I have to add the width of the page footer call 33.33% and padding left 15 pixel, top 15 pixel, bottom 15 pixel and right 15 pixel, and the page footer row set the display flex and display direction wrapper down and margin left 15 pixel and margin top 15 pixel, margin right 15 pixel and margin bottom 15 minus 15 pixel. So now I have reduced some margin of the footer title, that is enough, and I have also removed the some text for better user experience. and I have add some margin or gap. The gap is the better solution. So display flex and direction column and gap the 10 pixel. And now I have reduced some footer logo max width. So now the display flex and wrapper down and not for the right. So now right now I have designed the newsletter form. So the input box, I have add the border radius like this our contact form. So border radius 9 pixel and also font size 16 pixel and line height 1.4 and color to our page footer background. So paste the color and now I have delete the input background color and color will be the white and the border color a white color and also the placeholder color. So select the placeholder and color will be the white and also the form input height it will be the 50 pixel and also padding left 15 pixel, right 15 pixel and top 10 pixel, bottom 10 pixel and margin bottom also the 12 pixel. And now the button will be the our orange theme color. So copy the color and paste the color and also border radius 10 pixel and font size 17 pixel and font weight semi bold and min width 200 pixel. So top padding is the 10 pixel, bottom padding 10 pixel and the capitalize uppercase. So now I have add the hover color like hover and set the background color white and of the footer background color. So when the hover button text color the blue color and add some transition. So all properties 400 ms and zoom out. and also set the required field. And when the submit, the success message will be the appear. So you can design the success message. So click the newsletter form block and click the gear icon and click the success tab. So this is our success message area. So you can change in your text as per your requirement. So right now I have keep this text. So now I have add the design. First create the class of the newsletter success message. So now I have add a background color, the green color, and font size reduce and line height 1.4 and font weight like 600 pixel and text align left. And I have add some border radius 10 pixel. And this is our normal state. And when the submit any user of the newsletter, this is our success message, and this is our error message. So anyhow if you face any of the error of this form or server related issue, so this is our error message. So click add the class newsletter from error message and change the color and font size 14 pixel and line height 1.4 and 100 600 and radius of the box 10 pixel. So now this is the looks good. So I have the select normal state and see the result. First publish the site and refresh our website, and now this is our the page footer. The footer already looks good, but there's a small addition that instantly make it feel like a premium website. So let's add. Now I have add another div under the container and add the class page footer bottom, and under the page footer bottom I have add another div like add the class page footer bottom row and add another list. So now I have copied this menu and paste the menu and change the menu item like terms and condition and privacy policy, and delete the other menu. And I have add another div block and add a paragraph and paste this text. So copyright 2000 26 by UGIIT already reserved, and I have added a link of the UGIIT. So now I have added a display of the page footer bottom row, display flex, align item center, and justify content space between, and also bottom menu add a combo class like legal menu list, and direction to wrapper down, and add a class of the copyright div. So copyright block and copyright content, and now I have add a class of the copyright link and add the color white and text decor none, and add the transition. So all properties 400 is in out, and add a hover color like our orange. So now copy the color and add the hover and paste the color. So now this is the hover color, and I have add another CSS like border top, the white, and I have add some transparent of the white color, and add some top padding like 30 pixel and margin top 30 pixel. And now I have changed of the top button like this value. So now I have changed the color of the orange, so not match the footer. So this is the top color, and I have add some CSS like 3 pixel and font open sans and font weight 600, and the bottom value 40 pixel, 30 pixel is the enough. So now I have reduced the footer bottom padding, so the 20 pixel 30 pixel is enough, and for the top button the bottom of the value like this. So now that's look good, and now I have add a social media link. So I have add another list, that is social media. So now I have add a list item and delete the 2 item, and under the list item add a link block. So link block, that is link block, and under the link block add a image, and choose the image like Facebook. So now I have add a class social media, so CI social media list, and add social media list item, and this is the social media list link, and this is the icon list icon. So first copy the list item and update the icon like Instagram, and last is the YouTube. This is the YouTube. So now I have removed the list item style none and padding 0 pixel, and margin bottom is the 0 pixel, and set the display flex, and in the social media link I have add a width like 30 pixel and height 30 pixel, and set the display flex and the align item center and justify content center, and add the border and also the border radius 50%. So now add the border of the four side. So this is the, and I have reduced the icon size like 20 pixel. So now I have add a width of the link block that is 36 pixel and 36 pixel, and also add the gap like 10 pixel. So now I have increased the icon size and add a top margin of the social media list like 20 pixel, and I have add the our social media link like this is our Facebook. So this is our Facebook link and open into that new tab, and this is our Instagram link and this also open in the new tab, and this is our YouTube link and open it to our new tab, and I have add some hover effect. So first add the transition and add the duration and zoom out, and hover opacity 30% to 60%. So now this is the final footer of the desktop version. So publish the site and check the from website. So this is our footer, so that is looks good. Now I am switched to the responsive layout. So first check the tablet version. So click the tablet, and this is our tablet version. So I have also checked the real website from the devices of the 768 screen. So Now this is pretty much good, but I also need some design. So in the page footer I have reduced the top padding, that is 60 pixel, and also the top padding is the 20 pixel, and this also the 20 pixel, and the margin top is the 20 pixel, and reduce the height of the input box like this. And now I have published the site and check. So now this is the good in the mobile, in the tablet version, and now I have switched to the mobile landscape version. So now this is the looks odd. So now I am I have fixed the layout. So with to 33.3% to 50%, and of the last of the div add the class newsletter call and add the width the 100%, and also the reduce of the footer padding like 40 pixel, and I have add a footer bottom row like direction column, and gap also the 10 pixel. The 14 pixel is enough for now. So now I have published the site and check the 480. So now this is the phone landscape mode and also the mobile landscape mode, and also the mobile. So this is the odd, and I have to 50% to 100%. Now I have reduced some margin of the title, that is 16 pixel, and also reduce the gap of the menu like 8 pixel. And so now I have published the site and check the mobile version. Check the mobile version like 360 and refresh the site. So now this is the one problem like this. So I have add the text align center and publish the site, and see how the result. So now this is our final result, the footer. So now this is our desktop version, and this is our responsive version. This is the tablet version, and this is our mobile version. So that's it. Amazing work. Our website is starting to look like a real professional project. But we are not stopping here. In the next episode, we will build a beautiful featured section with modern cards, icon, and responsive layout. If this tutorial helped you, leave a like and share it with your another Webflow learners, and subscribe to our UGIIT, and I will see you in the next episode.